Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to preview and change Siri's language and accent inside of iOS. Apple has recently changed this process up a bit from previous versions, making it a lot easier to preview and change. To do this, open Settings. Next, scroll down and tap Siri and Search. In here, you'll find all of the new Siri voice and command options. To change the language spoken by Siri, tap Language. Inside of here, find and choose the language that you want to change to. I'll first ask Siri a question in English. Hey Siri, how are you doing today?
Not too shabby. Thanks for asking.
Next, I'll change the voice over to Spanish, confirm the language change, and then ask again. ¿Cómo estás?
Me da gusto estar aquí.
I'll go ahead and change this back to English, and next we'll change the accent. Head back one screen and then this time choose Siri Voice. Here we can choose the different accents available. First, choose a variety at the top. We'll start with American. Next, choose a voice at the bottom. You can hear the different accents as I choose between the different options.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
When you're finished with your choice, you can go ahead and close settings. And that's how you change Siri's language and voice accent inside of iOS on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.